everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be cooking a chicken filling which can be used in wraps or sandwiches. For this you will need one whole chicken cut into pieces, large pieces, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of American BBQ powder, oil and 1 freshly squeezed lemon. Here I've got all the spices on a plate like this. I'm going to mix it all up in a bowl. Add the oil and just stir. This should look like this after you have mixed it, like a thick paste. Now I'm going to add this to the chicken. Now add the lemon juice. Mix it all up properly and leave it to marinate for about an hour or overnight. Mix this properly. You can see I've put slits in the chicken so it goes through nicely. I'm just going to leave this for an hour, but you can leave this overnight or for a couple of hours and then put it into a preheated oven on gas mark 5. Okay, so I've left the chicken to marinate for an hour, and here I have a deep baking tray which I've placed with a foil. I'm going to put the pieces down one at a time. I'm going to cover this with another piece of foil and place it in the oven for about an hour or more. Halfway through, about 35 minutes or so, I'm going to take it out and turn it over so the other side of the chicken can cook. Okay, I'm going to cover the chicken with the foil. The reason I do this is so it doesn't go too dry at the top of the chicken, the pieces stay nice and soft. I've taken the chicken out of the oven, it's now ready. Wait until it cools a bit and then take the chicken off the bone and rip it into pieces and put it in a container. I've got all the chicken pieces in a container. I'm going to add the remaining juice, or whatever you want to call it. Pour it over on the chicken. The chicken is now ready to be put into wraps and sandwiches. You can add lettuce leaves, tomatoes, cucumbers and any kind of condiments, whichever you like. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Bye!